So what up, it's your boy LDJ, back again with another vlog. So tomorrow is my surgery day. Papa-surgery tayo bukas dahil meron akong varicocele at kailangan i-perform ang varicocelectomy at medyo nervous at the same time. So kasi first time na may gagawin sa katawan natin, no? So first time na operation. Let's see bukas. So yun guys, it's time. Here is the day. So punta na tayo mamaya, 7 na ngayon, 8 AM yung call time natin doon. Magpapa-admit tayo. And yun na, sana successful yung operation. Let's go! So yun na nga. So nakauwi na tayo. Isang araw na natin dito sa bahay. So yun. Okay naman. Naka-ano naman na yun. Yeah. So yun.